Hello, my sparkles of light. Welcome back to my channel. Boy, I have missed you guys so much. Oh my god. If you'd like to learn how I got today's look, then keep watching. Okay, let's get into it. So I've already washed and blow dried my hair and parted it into two sections horizontally. I'm using this Blue Magic coconut oil hair conditioner and this braid gel, All Day Locks braid gel. Starting on one side of your head, you're gonna create a part going straight back. Oh my god, I just whistled through my gap. And I like to pull the hairs either back or forward. This actually, you guys, this allows you to see how straight your part is. It's like a little trick. Also, you guys, don't mind the box hair dye job. I'm gonna re-dye it after I take this hair out. Yeah, my hair was like a dark cherry red. So I went on ahead and finished braiding up the other side of my hair off camera. So now you should have 3 braids on each side. And now I'm just starting the top portion of the hair for your bangs. So as you can see, I've already created a horizontal braid so that I can create a zigzag braiding pattern. So how have you guys been? It's a new year. Happy New Year. Oh, I hope you guys have been doing so well. Let's see what this new year the dragon brings. Dragon. Next, you're going to create an L-shaped part to continue the zigzag braiding pattern. And then you're going to just connect the last braid that you just did. So the horizontal braid connecting with the vertical L-sharp. What is this? Connecting the L-shaped part. Alright, now you'll create a middle part to finish braiding up the top section of the hair. You should have about 6 braids in total, just so that it's even amount on each side. Now, starting at the back of your head, you're going to create a horizontal part at the base of your head and braid down almost to the end. And I say almost till the end because not that we're almost till the end, but because you're going to connect that next braid to the next one. Starting on the side that you just freaking ended at, you're going to pick up the end of that braid and braid it into that next section so that you create only 1 braid. You'll continue this method as you braid up your head, grabbing the end of the braid from that last section, braiding it into the next section to create 1 braid. Keep using any edge control to control any frizz. Once you reach that top portion of your hair, you're going to grab those ends of those braids and you're going to blend it in to create 1 braid that you're braiding all the way down to the end. So now you're going to take whatever oil you have on hand. I'm using my daughter's. She doesn't know I'm using, but now she does. It's the Oars coconut oil and baobab combo. It smells delicious. Put that all over your scalp, girl. Let it saturate while it's under this protective style. Alright, so what I've noticed about this curly hair is that you must detangle it before you try and separate any sections, or you're going to have like this tangled ass mess. Let me tell you. So to create the highlight effect, you want to just take the blonde and space it out throughout the back of your head. Alright, so next, starting on the side of your head, you're going to be using the normal crochet method where you're pulling all of the hairs through the loop until you get to the front portion of your head. That's when you want to use the knotless method so that you can conceal, all that stuff, make it look seamless and blended. You're going to also do this when you get to the top part of your head as well for that big horizontal braid. Doing this is really going to help to conceal it. You guys, I do have a more detailed explanation and like slowed down version in another video that I'll link up here for you guys. This video is just not focused on that today. I'm showing you this detangling again because it is a real thing. You really are gonna have to like detangle this. Like, there's no shortcutting this. We are almost there. We are at the top part and I am exhausted. You are gonna have strong fingers at the end of this. Like, seriously, congratulate yourself when you are done because this is like warrior vibes right now. Look at this. I'm like a shield maiden right now. I do believe the hair is changing me. You might be getting yourself an accent at this point. Alright, so once you get to the last 2 braids at the top for your middle part, you're going to be using the knotless method. Yeah, so if you don't already have one of these satin bonnets, get yourself one of these satin bonnets. They are the greatest things ever. So now for your bangs, you're going to want to measure and cut the hair for your desired length. And cutting it does help it to lay better. You're going to be doing this for the framing of your face with the bangs, and I'm just doing it in the curtain way, which is cutting the hairs shorter towards the middle of your forehead and then making them longer to frame the outer sides of your face. So you're going to continue crocheting the hair, leaving no gaps or spaces for that front row for all of the bangs, really. This is where you're going to like fill it in and not leave any spaces. And a side note too, I forgot to let you guys know that when you're doing any of your highlights, it doesn't have to be blonde. It can be pink or whatever. I currently have pink in my hair right now. I have pink and the blonde in my bangs now, and I do have pictures of that, so if you want to stay tuned, I can insert them at the end, so if you want to see what that looks like. So yeah, so you're just going to play with it, have fun, like put your highlights however you want, space them chunky, you know, this is like for you to have fun and play with, so put your highlights wherever you want. And when you get to the 3rd and final row, you'll be using the invisible knot method again, and that is to pull half the hairs through the loop so that it conceals the braid. You guys, I really do love this look and this curly ocean wave hair. This is my first time doing the crochet with curly hair, and I love it. I will link everything down below for you guys as well. Also, don't forget to give this video a like if you're enjoying it and learning something, as well as subscribing to my channel if you're not already. Now I've just cut some of the hairs shorter to fill in any gaps in the back, and it will also create a layered effect. Next, you'll gently pull the ends of it just to remove any shed hairs, and you can clean up the ends and trim them up. Next, you're going to go in with some type of curl mousse. I'm using this Lotta Body coconut oil and Shea Wrap Me Foaming curl mousse to tame any frizz. And you are going to use a generous amount, like generously, all over, like lots of it. It's going to help it add some shine. It smells great. Like, trust me. Don't forget the other side, girl, and those bangs. Do not forget those bangs and the top of your head. that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're inspired to create your next look or hair color. I love this color. Oh my god, I love this color. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Stay meditated, and I will see you soon. Bye.